Hello. In this video, I'm showing you another live demo of my 2-in-1 BLDC motor generator system and how it can charge a supercapacitor directly without any braking effect. The setup stays hooked to my standard 36-volt battery, which can go up to 42 volts and right now is sitting around 40 volts. And the input current never budges. It's always about half an amp. I've connected a massive 22,000 microfarad 80-volt supercapacitor to one of the extra generator windings I've added. When the motor generator runs, that winding harvests the back EMF and charges the capacitor up to roughly 50 volts. Yet there's absolutely no increase in current draw on the motor and no drag felt at all. Once I've stopped the system, I demonstrate how to discharge the capacitor by simply hooking up a 25-watt incandescent lamp. As the voltage drops from 50 volts downward, the lamp doesn't blaze at full brightness, but it stays lit for nearly a full minute. And remember, I'm only using one extra winding here. If I added a second or even a third winding, you'd see a much stronger effect. The harvested energy could easily be pushed back into the battery or stored in more supercapacitors. You could even eliminate the battery. This demo proves just how versatile and scalable my setup is. With minimal tweaks to a standard BLDC motor, you get a powerful, self-sustaining system. Now, the detailed schematics and development notes remain private for the moment, even on my Patreon, but over there you'll find many more innovations and in-depth tutorial videos packed with priceless info, perfect for integrating into your projects. Join me on Patreon for just a small monthly contribution, and you'll unlock exclusive content you won't find anywhere else. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this demo, please click like, share it with friends, and subscribe so you never miss a future experiment. Please support me on Patreon, and let's bring these ideas to life together. See you soon.